Probably the best thing that happened to me after moving to Europe was getting introduced to the Asian cuisine, specifically Vietnamese cuisine, even though it's not remotely as good as the original thing. But to me, it was like an explosion of newly undiscovered flavors, tastes, and it made me feel like I'm 10 years old again, discovering new things. Today, I wanted to share with you probably my favorite Asian dish. So I tried this dish in many European cities and from allegedly Vietnamese people, but probably the quality won't be compared to the real experience in Vietnam just because of the quality of the ingredients in Europe. Now I know this will not be an exact replica, but it's close enough, and to me it still have this flavorful complexity, yet simple mix of sweet, salty, acidic freshness that is not comparable to any cuisine I've tried so far. So as the name suggests, we will need one large mango or two for a stronger mango taste. Cut it into small slices. Now you can also blend the mango and make a paste out of it, which will be incorporated better with the sauce, but I like to just cut it into small pieces and let it slowly cook with the sauce. And also, most importantly, I don't have a blender. Have a diced onion, medium sized and very finely diced. One garlic clove and also very finely diced. Then we will need one carrot, trim the edges off and cut into small even round slices. It is very important to maintain their size so they can all cook evenly. Next we need mushrooms, cut into 4 slices like that. Don't cut them into thin slices, they'll just be sad curled up little things and overcook, so don't do that to mushrooms. We need around 5 or 6 mushrooms or more if you're into mushrooms. Next we cut around half a sweet potato into small half-inch cubes, same as carrots. It's important to have consistent sizes so they can evenly cook. You can peel it, but I prefer to keep the skin on my sweet potato. As said, the recipe calls for sweetness and acidity, and nothing better in providing that than pineapples. Here I'm using the canned version, but if you have fresh ones, that would be much better. And then just cut them into little cute mini pizza sized pineapple. And to add more freshness, we will slice a red paprika. I prefer red ones to add more color to the plate, and also they're a bit sweet, so you can go with green if you don't want it to be extra sweet. Next is meat. I'm using 300 grams or around 2 cups of sliced chicken breasts. You can use chicken thighs as well, or even sliced duck meat. You can be creative with your choice of meat. As well as making it vegan, which is very simple in this dish. Instead of meat, you can just replace it with tofu and it will taste as good as meat. Now over medium heat, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then add the onion and garlic, stir them in until they have a golden color, then pull them to the side and make a ring like a coliseum or something. Add the chicken. So the aim here is just to give them a bit of a color, not to cook them fully. So as soon as they have a nice golden whitish color, just take them out. Add 400 milliliters or 2 cups of full fat coconut milk and quarter cup or 60 milliliters of chicken stock or veggie stock or just water. You can replace the coconut milk with low fat coconut milk. It won't be as creamy, but it will have way less calories. Then we will add salt and pepper to taste, 2 teaspoons powdered ginger or fresh ginger, 3 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon curcuma powder, and 1 teaspoon chili paprika. Give everything a mix until all the spices are well incorporated, and then add the mangoes, sweet potatoes, mushrooms, and carrots. Give them all a mix and let them simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we will add the chicken. Turn the heat down to low and let it slowly cook for 20 more minutes or until the sweet potatoes are fork ready, as in you can easily put a fork in them. And then we will add our pineapples and paprika. We add those at the end because we don't want them to be super cooked to keep their freshness. You will know it's ready when it's reduced and it's nice and thick looking like that. And then you just garnish it with fresh parsley or coriander. Then serve it with basmati rice, and this is it. I would eat this every day of the week if only the calories weren't such a hurdle. But it's definitely a nice treat on the weekend or if you have a date you want to impress. Do let me know if you tried it down in the comments, and please like and subscribe if you weren't already. Till next time.